Good morning everyone and welcome back to 5 on Friday. Can you believe we are on week 4? This time is flying by and you are all doing so well coping with virtual Uppingham. A massive well done, and because of this it's motivated me to provide you with a high intensity workout this morning. Okay, so before we start I must read out the terms and conditions. You must make sure that you warm up prior to the session, get that heart rate up and dynamic stretching involved to ensure the body is prepared. We don't want to risk any injury impacting on your involvement in the Around the World Challenge. Mr De Luca would not be happy with me. Lastly, make sure you have some water available as this is going to be tough. So let's get started. We're going to have 5 exercises. Each one will be working for 20 seconds and then you'll have 10 seconds rest. Then we're going to do the 5 exercises twice through. Therefore 5 minutes. Simple. Okay, so exercise 1, we're going to start with a deadlift jack. So you're going to go down, then when you come up, you're going to put a leg out to the side, back down, leg, nice and quick in 20 seconds. So exercise 2, we're going to do a 2-way climber. So we're going to go middle, then cross. Okay. You're going to get into high plank position, making sure that your weight is distributed between your hands and toes. So I'll do that now. You need to check that your hands are below your shoulders, your back is straight, abs engaged, and your head is in line. Okay, and then we're going to come up and then across. Up and then across. Up and then across. Please make sure that your hips are down. We don't like any cheaters. Exercise 3, we're going to do a jump forward, sprint back. Okay, so bend your knees, jump as far as you can, and then sprint back. And again, jump, sprint back. If you want a low impact, just sprint there, sprint back. Just remember, nice, quick feet. Exercise 4, we're going to do a knee to toe touch. So we're going to go knee, toe. On the kick, I'd like you to kick away COVID. So knee, COVID, knee, COVID, knee, COVID. Try and get as much power in that kick as possible. For the last exercise, we're going to do flutter, reverse, crunch. Okay, so you're going to be on the floor for this one. Beginners, you can put your hands underneath your bum and you're going to lay flat on your back. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse crunch. Back down, 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse crunch. If you're advanced, you put your hands to the side and then you're going to come up just a little bit off the floor, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse crunch, 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse crunch. Bam, we're done. Make sure you perform a quick cool down and stretch. Just to recap the exercises, we had the deadlift jack, the 2-way climber, the jump forward, sprint back, knee to toe touch, and the flutter reverse crunch. 20 seconds work, 10 seconds rest, twice through. I hope you enjoy it and it kickstarts your Friday with a bang. Now we're going to head over to Mr De Luca to see what he has in store for us this week on the nutritional front. Bye everyone, stay safe.
Okay, tonight I'm going to be showing you one of my favourite vegetarian burgers, a request from Mr Surtees. As a vegetarian, people often ask where do I get that meaty texture and flavour from, so tonight I'm going to show you that, hopefully. First things first, I like to start with 2 tins of any kind of, well, these are chickpeas or black beans, and I chuck them in the food processor, like so. And then I just add 2 or 3 spoonfuls of plain flour. Okay, then take the burger mix. Importantly, you see it's not mush, it's still quite chunky. I'm going to chuck that in there. Got 50 grams of grated strong mature cheddar. And Blue Peter style, earlier on I've softened some onions and garlic with some dried coriander. 50 grams of breadcrumbs, and finally 1 egg. Now you just got to get that all mixed up, and to be honest, you're going to have to go in with your hands. Okay, I've got some flour over there, cut with a bit of paprika, and now I'm just going to form it into patties. They recommend 4 from this recipe, but as I'm a family of 5, I'm going to make 5. Patties are now ready. I'm going to pop them in the fridge for 30 to 40 minutes. They're going to take them out frying for 4 or 5 minutes on either side so they're golden brown and warm through. Good luck, good eating, and let me know how it goes.